Everybody, this is a very short video regarding the double-decker guitar stand, which I came across on the internet. Just wanted to show you a very quick review of that, and also the assembly process. You will find it later in the video. Just wanted to explain that, you know, as you see, my home studio is really not that big, and I have to use the space very wisely. So in the past, I used to have many stands, you know, around the studio, which would take a lot of space out from me. But I came across this one on the internet. It's Chinese made, absolutely fantastic, very stable. Just wanted to show you the assembly process, because inside the package you won't find any instruction manual. There's only a sheet of paper showing the parts you will find in the box. But I didn't take the time to scan the QR code which was on that paper. You will find this sheet of paper in this video. Pause the video, and if you scan that QR code, it takes you to a website where you will basically see a person assembling all the parts in real time, which is very comprehensive video and helps you very much, and helped me very much to install this stand. So I hope you like it. It was very cheap. I mean, the double decker was about, I don't know, 50 euros or 60 online, which is a very good price for such a massive stand. And it has also helped me save the space. So if you have any questions, please write to me. Please subscribe and like the video. I'll be in touch with you, and I will post more videos. Have a wonderful day. Cheers to you all. By the way, just a quick note that they give you also 14 of these screws that you can space the guitars that you will. It fits up to 7 guitars per row, electric guitars, and up to 5 acoustic guitars per row. And as you see, it can also accommodate my triple neck guitar, my flamenco guitars, and below that you will see also the bass guitar, as well as my Persian instruments. So, very goodbye. Have a wonderful day, and stay in touch. Cheers.